How to set up Phantom wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply search for Phantom wallet on Google, or you can also search it up on your Play Store or App Store. And after that, just simply open up the very first link on the Google search. And this is where it will take you. And over here, you can find the option of download for Chrome. And if you want to download for other options, just simply click on download. And over here you will be able to see different options that you can download it for Firefox, Chrome or Brave or Edge. In this video, let's see how we can do it for Chrome. So just simply select Chrome, and after that it will redirect you over here. Now just simply click on this option of add to Chrome. Now click on add extension, and since we are doing it for the first time, so we will select the option of create a new wallet. After that, you will have to create a password for your wallet. Make sure that it is a tough one. After creating the password, it will show you your recovery phrase. Make sure that you write it down on a piece of paper or save it up because it is quite important, and keep it secret. Now let me write down my secret key on my paper. After that, just click on this option of get started. And when you go to your extensions, you will be able to find Phantom wallet over here. You can pin it up, or you can just simply click on it to open it up. And now you can just simply deposit, buy or send Solana or other assets related to Solana blockchain. And this is how you set up Phantom wallet. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.